Coffee is a delicious drink that many people enjoy in the morning or throughout the day. It all starts with a special kind of seed called a coffee bean. These beans come from a plant called the coffee plant, which grows in different parts of the world. The coffee plant is a small tree that if left untouched it can grow up to 30 feet, 9.1 meters, tall, and it produces cherries that contain the coffee beans. A typical commercial coffee plant will grow up to 16 feet, 5 meters, in height. Many producers trim their coffee trees down to about 6 feet, 2 meters, to promote a higher concentration of coffee fruit growth. When the coffee beans are ripe and ready, they are picked from the coffee plants. This is done by farmers who carefully choose the beans that are just the right color and size. It's like picking ripe fruits from a tree. Once the beans are picked, they need to be processed. This means that the outer shell of the bean is removed. There are different ways to do this, but one common method is to wash the beans and remove the outer layer. This helps to reveal the inner part of the bean called the coffee seed. Next, the coffee seeds are dried. They are spread out on big trays or sometimes even on the ground to dry in the sun. This drying process can take some time, and it's important to make sure the beans are completely dry before they can be used to make coffee. After the beans are dried, they are roasted. Roasting means heating the beans to a certain temperature to bring out their flavors. The beans start to turn brown and they crackle and pop, just like popcorn. This is when the delicious aroma of coffee begins to fill the air. Once the beans are roasted, they are ready to be ground up. Grinding the beans means breaking them into smaller pieces, almost like turning them into a powder. This makes it easier to brew the coffee and release all the tasty flavors. Finally, the ground coffee is brewed with hot water. This is usually done using a coffee machine or a special coffee pot. The hot water passes through the ground coffee, picking up all the flavors and colors. After a few minutes, the liquid that comes out is what we call coffee. People can enjoy coffee in many different ways. Some people like it black, while others add milk or sugar to make it sweeter. And there are so many different types of coffee to try, like cappuccinos, lattes, or even iced coffee. So, that's how coffee is made. From the coffee plant to the roasted beans, and finally, the brewing process. It's a fascinating journey that brings us the delicious drink that many people love to enjoy. Did you know? Legend has it that coffee was discovered by an Ethiopian goat herder named Kaldi. He noticed that his goats became energetic after eating coffee berries. Thank you for watching.